Okay, I just finished building a basement shower. I used the accordion pleated I got from Home Depot vinyl. Worked out really good. You know, connects to the backboard real easy. What I want to do here is some indoor lighting. Let me show you this. This is really neat. I like
cool.
this.
I like that a lot.
Piece.
It look cool.
Fits right over there. What I want to do is I want to put some light in here. Nice handicap bar. And my fixture. Nice Delta unit. This is. And then this is, of course, Glacier. I think it's Glacier Ice or Glacier something or another. But what I want to do is I'd like to put some lighting up in here. And I'm thinking like 12 volt. Right now I've got these silly little fairy lights. And they're not silly, you know, I mean, they were bright enough. But it's kind of awkward. And they don't emit enough light. So something up here. And I'll show you what I want to work with. So that's that 3D paint. Turned out real nice. Okay, so let me show you how I want to light this. This is 12 volt LED lighting. This one happens to be the warm white, which I'm more a fan of. I want to run a length like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Two of these. There's one. And there's two. Okay. And there's 12 volts. I better turn that off. I discovered that this cabling, this wiring, I think this is for a floppy drive in a desktop PC. Well, let's just go ahead and cut this off. Down. Just to show you the possibilities here with this. Truly amazing. Now, I might break this. It might be too thin. Or maybe not. But this is good. One solid piece of copper wire. And this is what I'm going to use for my lights. For me, of course, mileage may vary with it. The best way for me to figure this out, instead of running 12 volts, I'll just drop it down a little bit to maybe 9, so I don't overdrive it. And get my contacts. Top is negative, bottom is positive. Let me just go ahead and Mark that with a little bit of black. These wires come in. Everything needs a little dab of flux. And let's see here, a little cleanup. Might as well grab these while I got it. And back to making sure my negative is my negatives. Okay. A little tinning. Okay. Negative, positive, negative, oh well, positive. Well, I'll tell you what, let's measure these and make sure that they're equal length. And equal length. Positive, negative, positive. I guess they should be equal lengths, so when you twist them, they twist relatively equally together when you solder them. That's good. That is positive and positive. This is a negative and negative. Okay. So these are negative. So I'm going to hook up to negative. And these are positive, which I'm going to hook up to positive. Alright, now let's bring it up to 12 volt. It's at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 volts. Positive is going to go to positive. And we can fold that in half. And positive and negative. This is negative. Fold that down a little bit. Okay. I have my little power supply. Okay, we're going to call this the finished product. See if I can get in here without killing myself because I got my Okay, I've got my finished project here with some shower lighting, DC 12 volt LED lights. I believe there's enough power here to keep this on indefinitely. And there are the lights up there on this kind of ledge. And that's the interior lighting, which I think turned out pretty good. Okay. I mean, that's a lot of light. I'm happy with it. Turned out real nice. Yeah. And let's see, turn on the light. I gotta find a button to turn this off and I'm in good shape. Good job.